In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to boost your Shopify store visibility and sales. Search engine optimization is a critical part of running an online business, but writing perfect meta tags for every single product can be incredibly time-consuming. That is where Claude comes in as a powerful assistant to help you craft high-converting titles and descriptions that rank well. To get started, you first need to identify the specific product you want to optimize along with your primary target keyword. Once you have those ready, you can open up a conversation with Claude. The key to getting a great result is using a precise prompt that respects the strict character limits set by search engines like Google. You can tell the AI to write a Shopify meta title under 60 characters and a meta description under 160 characters for your product using your chosen keyword. This specific instruction ensures that your text will not get cut off in the search results, which helps maintain a professional appearance and a higher click-through rate. When Claude generates the response, you will notice how it naturally weaves your keyword into a compelling call to action. You want your titles to be punchy and your descriptions to provide a clear reason for customers to click on your link over your competitors. After you receive the output from the AI, you can simply copy and paste these snippets directly into the SEO section at the bottom of your product page in the Shopify admin panel. This simple workflow allows you to optimize dozens of products in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually, while ensuring your store follows the best practices for search engine rankings. By automating this repetitive task with Claude, you can focus more on growing your brand and managing your customers.